Alright everybody, today we are going to be taking a look at SignOps, and in SignOps we are going to be taking a look at the Inspect Signs workflow. So here we're going to start from the home page of SignOps. To get to our Inspect Signs workflow, we're going to want to choose the In the Field tab up at the top of the screen. So if I click on that, that's going to pop open all of my In the Field workflows here in SignOps. What I want to choose is the Inspect Signs workflow, and that's going to be right in the middle of our screen. So if I click that, here you're going to be able to see some of our input parameters that we're going to choose when we go to inspect our signs. The very first thing is we're going to choose inspection type, whether we're performing a night or day inspection. Next, we're going to want to choose the road name, and this list of roads comes from our assemblies features where those road names are stored from. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick one of my roads here. The next option is I'm going to have to choose which signs facing a specific direction are going to show up for me based on this parameter. So as you can see, I've currently got east facing signs selected. So every sign facing east on our road name 1500 North, those are going to be the signs that show up for me in my results. However, I could choose to show more signs on 1500 North that may be facing other directions, but the next parameter is really going to be where this comes in handy. My travel bearing parameter, if I choose west, I'm going to see the signs that are facing east as I travel west down 1500 North. My next couple options here are days recent, and that'll show if I've performed an inspection on any of these signs on 1500 North within the last 2 days. They are going to be filtered out of my results lists, and I can also up that to 5 days perhaps if I wanted to increase that. And if I toggle that only show signs in front, those signs that I pass are going to be filtered out of my list as I go past them down the road performing my inspection. Finally, when I'm ready and all the parameters have been filled into my desire, I'm going to go ahead and click search. And when I do that, my list of signs are going to pop up here. You can see the very first sign, that distance column, is going to show me the very first sign that's going to pop up. It's going to be that weight limit sign. And currently, based on my current location, I'm about 3 miles away from that sign. I'm going to get some other information here as far as like the post type, the sign facing direction, dates. I'm going to be able to quickly pass or fail or edit a sign as I come up to it and pass it on the road. So what we're going to take a look at next is we're actually going to head out in the field and we're going to see what this looks like in action.